Cool. Hello my friends, here's Mad Max. And a few days ago I received a Rofis MR70 from Banggood, and I thought it would be a nice idea to unbox it and have a look on it with a live video. And you see, have not even opened the box now, so haven't had one of those in my hands before. So it's completely new for me. Lots of people do like that flashlight very much. They say it's very great. So we'll have a look. So hopefully I have to turn the phone. Hi Jason. I can read the commands on the small screen on the phone. If you want to ask something, please do. Please think there is a delay, and don't be angry with me if I miss anything from you guys. Let's see how it goes. Hi Patrick. The box came from Banggood. As usually with those packs from China, they came in the big grey plastic bag. We all love them. And it's a little bit smashed, but that's normal. Nothing is ripped open. And Rofis does a very good job in giving a short description of their lights, what's in there, what's in the packing and so on. Maybe you can hit pause later after that video if you want to read that. Okay. I like this. Usually a lot of flashlight manufacturers just fill in everything in the trays. So having a cardboard box is cool. The flashlight itself, it's made from one piece. So there's nothing is put together, screwed into the head. It's very nice. So that's this smooth high Phillip. Feels nice to the hand. The cell is at 26650, which I do like very much because it does fit good in my hands. The flashlight comes with a cell. There is an isolator. Jason, here is. It's described to pull it off. I think you have been the one lately. The cell they include is a Rofis cell, hydrogen devices. They say it's integrated battery protection circuit, 5,500 milliampere hours. I will give that a run later on my charger. So obviously, since there is one piece, I cannot unscrew the battery tube. I'm not sure. Maybe I will upload some detailed photos someday. I can see a driver. There is the pin on the head side is not really flexible. It looks like that it's a little bit moving. Yeah, can you see on the head side there is a slightly high laster. It's a little bit moving contact. The tail cap has no magnet because I think it would be much too heavy, but it does have the double springs to lower the resistance. That's nice. Oops. What have we also? Nice square cut threads. There is an O-ring. Obviously that light is made to tail stand very well. Then we have an opening for a lanyard. There is the switch on one side, which is So I hope I do not make a fool out of myself more than usually, because I have not even looked in the user manual. There is one side high Julian, one side for the indirect, the secondary LED, and the main LED. Main LED is an XHP70. I think it's a 70.2 because I cannot see, because it's... Can you see now? Let's try it that way around. Yeah, let's shed more light in there. It's an orange peel reflector. Whoop. Orange peel reflector with a centering ring, which does go over the LED, the edges, so I cannot see clearly if it's a 0.1 or a 0.2. But let's... Comparing to a 0.2 on my Wuben, I see no difference. I think it's a XHP 70.2 cool white. Okay, so made a fool out of myself. One. Nice centering ring, orange peel. The size, hi Tobias. It's feels quite good, so I do like it. Let's see, what do we have also to show. There is a rubber flap on the charging port. The description says it charges up to 2 amps. The flap is really flat. There is nothing sticking out, so no flaps that you can easily open. There is some flashlights you do like this with the finger and it pops open, so it's just for collecting dust. This one is a little bit harder to open. It's in there the USB port, micro USB size. The flap is quite big. Sorry for the lightning. And this does sit very good. So let's try. Having short click is on, short click is off. Okay, that's one thing. Double click is okay. That's turbo. Click and hold. Oh, click and hold does give the secondary. Short click is off. So I assume holding is holding steps to low, medium, high. Double click is the turbo. Click and hold from off, side light. Click and hold going to the 3 steps. That's a very nice. Yeah, I don't think you can. We'll do all this beam shot things in the second session, so I make a written review, and hope I can take more detailed views. Well, let's have a look what they did also send to me with the flashlight, which there is a deal beside. I think it's my price for that MR70 is near 60 something. Don't tell a lot. They send a nice lanyard. There is there is another charge flap for the charging port. There is 2 O-rings for the battery. There is a charging cable that looks also very well in quality. And there is an adapter. And this adapter makes a power bank out of the flashlight. So let's give me a second. Have to jump somewhere. Microphone. So that's live, yeah. The site, one byte. Let's have a look. Blah, 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 blah. If it's described. Yeah, it's an Cree XPG2 warm white LED on the side, which have a maximum up to 200 lumens. And the XHP 70.2, the main light, is a cool white and has a turbo on up to 3500. And they have very nice numbers on the runtime. So you see on turbo the 3100 is for 1 minute, then you have about 10 minutes on 1500, and then it steps down to 1000, which for another 190 minutes. And when you start in high, you have the 10 minutes and 1500 lumens. And I think due to the heat, it has to step down to 1000 for another 206 minutes in that case. So the 1000 lumens should be for long time use. So let's fool around. I have an LED to use for a flashlight. Put in that adapter. And as I told you, that's the first time I play with it. Whoop, upside down. No. Okay, you can turn it a little bit. I'm not too stupid. Yeah, nice. Using a flashlight to power a LED. That's nice, isn't it? No, okay. Possibly it's stupid, but we do like stupid things. So you can, oh, there was a green light. Let's try to go back to that. You know what? Switch off one of my lights here. Yeah, there's green and there's some green LED flashing here. And I assume that using the charging cable will give us green lights for while charging or something like that. But if you want, you can read the user manual, which is in... User manual is in English. We have in French. There is some Chinese maybe. Espanol, Italiano, Japanese. Oh, there's German too. So that's lots of languages, which is very, very nice. The flashlight has, let's have a look, is there? Yeah, there's this CE and so on. So for the German guys, they will be happy because they can, when they import it, the customs cannot send it back. There's German description, CEs on it, so the flashlight is good to go through the customs. So, any questions from you guys? Whoops. Rofis MR70. So all the people say they are very, very happy. Double click gives us turbo. Short click is in. Does it have a mode memory? Yeah, it has mode memory. So you go in high. Short click to off. Short click to on. Click and hold is low, medium, high. So okay, now I have to try and yeah, isn't it fun to get a new flashlight, play with it, and then you find out, hey, there is one more thing, one special feature in the user interface. Okay, I could really use the German one, blah blah blah, short click. I do it in English, so I have not translate for you. While reading, installing battery charging, switch on off, low, medium, high. The turbo mode is the double click. there's a location mode. And 3 seconds from off, what's that? 2, 3. Location mode means that there is a red flashing LED from the charging LED, so you can find it on the shelf or maybe in the yeah, reading manuals is for noobs now. But I think I wouldn't have found out that press and hold in off for 3 seconds gives you a location LED to find in your tent or outside, whatever. 1, 2, 3. Not sure. Yeah, that's a nice function too. I always like that, breaking the circuit and making everything going off power by short opening the tail cap. So it's reset, no more location flashing. Measurement on the looks, no, not for now. I will, if I do the written review, I will try to get a lux reading and compare with other flashlights. So is there something else? Turbo mode, location mode, lock and unlock. It's 4 seconds. Then there's a soft lock. Other functions is okay, I have seen that, but the explanation. So sorry, Jason, I read the manual for you, or you just turn off the sound right now. When you insert the battery, there's 2 seconds. In the green LED means it's more than 40% in charging the power capacity, and when it's red, that's lower than 40%. Low battery reminders, discharge functions, so you can read it by your own. So anything? Yeah, have I showed you the? No, I did not mention the holster, which is included. Whoopsie. Not so easy looking on the screen while doing something. With the other hand, the regular Rofis one, I do not see any threads hanging out there. No, nothing is ripped, but I do not expect it from a company like that. So yeah, that was it. Very short and briefly. I will, if I find the time in the next days, I will take some stills, maybe some beam shots. Maybe it's possible to go outside one night again. Depends on my children and all the work. So I can really understand the people. They have posted that they like this flashlight. It's an unusual shape with this soft shape, but it's cool. I really do like it. So as I told you, watch on madmax.com. There is a deal, nearly to 60 USD. So including the battery and all the other things, I think it's quite nice. Hi Marcus, you're late to the show obviously. The video will be available on my the Facebook page in a few minutes hopefully. So thanks for now and thanks for watching. Bye bye.